I am going to assemble a pallet garden box, and I'm going to break a record today. Are you with me? Get this party going, shall we? So I build these from pallets, so you get an idea here. Check my time, 5:36. From the pallet, just a couple of screws, cut it whatever. You can do whatever length, width you want, length. I did lengths based on where I wanted them to go, so I have different lengths. And so here we go. Tuck this in, and I use a brick to give me corners. This is just shingles. I redid my roof, and I kept the shingles. I use it for bordering, all kinds of things. So I create a corner and a crease like that. Once I create the crease, magic. See, creases are created. So took this in there, use the brick, you can use whatever you got, and just scrape my creases. Like that. Get my staple gun. Staple it in. Same thing on the other side. Am I out of staples? Oh my gosh, I am out of staples. I need to go back to staples. So I'll take out about 10 seconds for that one. I just loaded this thing, I think yesterday. So quickly staple that puppy in. Get a nice tight bottom. We all like tight bottoms, don't we? Yes, we do. And then grab my sides. Pop the sides in. Take my brick, give it some corners. Otherwise, if I don't give it corners, what happens is I got this rounded part here in the corners. I don't like that. I like things square, because I'm a square kind of guy. And so I just pop those in there. And then what we'll do, square this other corner. Get nice and squared in there. Lock it into place. Square the other corner. Lock it into place. Take my hammer. My hammer has left the building. Oh my gosh, it was here a second ago. Why would my hammer leave the building? I don't know. Too many pans in the kitchen. Pulling down my record time. Why is my hammer? Oh, it fell off the edge. So I just kind of like to quickly tap them down. Tap down the tacks. I gotta tell you to communicate over here. What is that? Oh. So anyway, tap down those tacks a little bit. Staples. So that they're nice and secure. Less likely to tear the tile. If it doesn't tear the tile, that's what I want. Just tap them in there. Tap, tap, tap. And that's kind of it. Then I grab my soil. Oh, I need sidebars. See if these fit. Oh my gosh, they just happen to fit. It's nice to have a little elf around. It kind of helps you out. My elf's invisible. My elf's only around helping me when I'm around. Then I grab my bucket and some soil. And I fill it up. Just like that. Some more soil. Oh, there's a peanut. there was a peanut in this dirt. We got squirrels around here, and the squirrels, people feed them. So squirrels get fed. When they run out of food, they dig up my garden. Well, they dig up my garden anyway to bury the nuts. Yeah, neighbors are feeding the squirrels, and I have to call them now and then. I take them to a park. I got a squirrel net. I got a squirrel net that I take them to the park, and I dump them off the park because they destroy my garden. Like I've gone out there and planted a bunch of new starters. Went out the next day. And heck's my starters? What? Oh my gosh. And I see evidence of little holes everywhere, which is indicative of squirrels. They dig their little holes and yeah, they leave their little notes. Their notes are their paw prints. So I pack in the sides to make the walls strong. Yep. Get those walls strong. Dig down a little bit. Make a place for my roots. Roots. They all got roots that lead somewhere. So I grab my strawberries. Kind of spread the roots. I like the roots to go towards the center, not towards the walls, because when they go towards the walls, when it gets hot, the roots dry out faster. So, yeah, get them going. Get those roots towards the walls, and voila, c'est la vie. Vive la France. Oui, oui. Oui, oui. Si. Oui, oui. And just keep dumping that soil in there. Just like that. Prop this strawberry up. And put another one right there. Yeah, these girls were producing, well, should I say girls? I don't know if male. I never gave it any thought whether there's female or male strawberries. I suppose there is. Never cared. It's like, okay, which ones are producing strawberries and which ones aren't? Right? Then I care. Then I paid attention. Attention. So it looks like I'm probably going to get 5 in here. I usually only put 4, typically. But today, I feel generous. Today, I'm going to put 5. Oh, I just have to have a few spare over there. And then when I get all done, what I'll do is get some little slats, little pieces of sticks, and put them on the sides to keep the sides up, because these are kind of flimsy. So just little flat pieces of stick, and that's it. Party's over. Just like that. Just like that. Party's over. And voila. See? Then, what I do, grab some bark. I get this from the city garden center, and just kind of sprinkle some bark on there. How come you're not barking, Ginger? You're just sitting there. Now sometimes it makes more sense to grab a stick and just kind of get that bark from around the strawberry plant. Then Seems to be a little bit smarter than using my fingers sometimes. Kind of like baking a cake or something. I don't know. And suppose that photosynthesis process going on right there. And voila. We got ourselves a done garden strip. Now, wasn't that easy? You did that pretty easy, didn't you? So this one's flanging pretty good. So I got these flat sticks. A little flatter than this, but it's easy to pop them in, and that'll keep this. You can use whatever you got, but that'll keep that from flanging out. I'll probably put one here. Probably put one there. Same on the other side. Same on the other side. And I got a done deal here. Now, I can possibly sell these for like $50. Right? I think they're worth $50. You get some sort of protection around, like these things here, protecting that wood, and just take it out take the wood out once a year and clean it, and that's it. And so I have an end cap, so if you've watched this all the way to the end, I've got other topics in my playlist. I've got stuff about emergency auto, if you get stuck in your car won't start. I got a music list, I don't know, 60 something songs that I've sung in there. I've been playing music since I was 12. And I got a bunch of other stuff with gardening stuff. I got stuff about my beehive, how I manage my beehive. Major appliance, I used to be a major appliance tech, so I got stuff in there if your dryer ain't working right or your washer ain't working right, I can maybe help you so you don't have to call that an appliance guy come out and tell you, oh, it was just that. You still have to pay him for his time. All right, subscribe, thumbs up, appreciate that. And I have a lot of things coming this way, your way and mine. I'm busy every day. I'm one of those guys that's got 1,000 things going on at the same time. Yeah, literally, it seems like. And you have a good day, and I hope you learned something from this video. And hope life's treating you well. Bye now.